Welcome, friends, today to Not Much Time 33 Outdoors. Thank you for coming. We're on a trail here. We're just gonna give you a little walk. This is gonna be more of a silent video. Thank you for coming. I'll try to keep you out of the sun. Enjoy. Come back again to Not Much Time 33 Outdoors. Here we go. My dog has been patiently waiting. Snickers is her name. I call her Shadow. Shadow dog. She's always with me. So this is my first time on this trail. I'm about a kilometer in, and I decided I was going to start filming. I've been in this same area hiking before, just on the other side of this. There's going to be a river up here, not very big, but this was a different loop, 2-kilometer loop. So we'll see where it goes. I'm not sure myself. There's a sign up here. We'll have to go see it. I'm trying to keep you out of the sun. I tried to get my my action camera going. It didn't want to go. I guess you got to charge it every night before you go out. We'll follow the blue stakes. Thank you for coming. I'll cut most of that out there. So we just left a nice forest and we're on this little path now. I'm gonna take you, I think, to the creek and back, because I think in order to cross this creek, because I was on the other side of the river, the water has to be pretty low because you got to cross on rocks, and I don't have the footwear to do that. So I get my gimbal working and my action camera doesn't work. So that's my next thing to do. I think it just needs to be charged. It's been in my bag for a while. I thought it would be ready to go, but not so. Snickers, come here. Put your leash on. I don't know if you can see over there, there's a tree stand over there. And right here, I'm pretty sure there's a game camera. Guess we go this way, Snakes. Looks like there's a way up there. Yeah, if you see, we're supposed to cross right here, but I'm not gonna do it today. I'm just gonna hike back out. I'm glad you're with me. Come on, snakes. It actually looks like the trail continues through here. So maybe I'll go through the thicket. Come on. Or am I wrong? I'm not sure why the screen is shaking. It's kind of weird. Okay, let's go. Oh no, that says the turn here. And that said would be the turn there, so I was wrong. You okay? I just got my dog in the chin with my back of my foot. Well, we're gonna head back into the bush. Just a little spot up here. We'll get out of this floodplain and back up into the forest. Looks like this loop takes you straight back, but I'm looking to go back in the forest, so that's what I'll do. Yeah, that would loop you back from where I started. I'll go back this way. I'll do that another time. Come here. Snickers wanted to play her game of grab the rope on the way back, but I'm going to put it in my pocket. It's a little bit too early for that. She got her little characteristics. So do I. So do we all. Let's go, Snicky. Good girl. Big entanglement of vines there. Keep going. Every season of the year. Every day, depending where the sun is when you're in the forest. Every day, depending on the wind. Every day, depending on traffic. Your experience in the forest is going to be different. But it always seems to be good. See if my dog knows I'm lost or not. Nope, there's the blue stake snakes. I think those are old reishi mushrooms. Could be wrong. Looks like there's a path going that way, but I'll follow the proper loop today. You know where to go, Snickers? So we're right on the edge of a farmer's field I see here. You're supposed to say, I'm going to do that before you do it. I don't know why these red marks on the tree. I don't know if they're going to take those down. Or if it's to help mark the trail. Not sure. Just gonna go up here because I feel like I might have gotten off the trail. Yes, I did. Somehow I missed the blue stakes. But I recognize I wasn't really on the trail. Maybe the red dots are to mean stop, don't go this way. Lots of spruce trees. I think we're gonna get back into the hardwoods up here. I don't think this gimbal's working. So I'm going to stop you. I just looked, the red light for the upper part of the gimbal is flashing red, so guess I'm not really working too good here, so I'll stop you there, and then I'm going to lock my phone since the gimbal battery's already dead. Have a great day. This is Not Much Time 33 Outdoors. Thank you for coming. May you enjoy the rest of your afternoon.